Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Here we are looking at Bitcoin US dollar on the hourly time frame. Now, Bitcoin has been trading in this downward sloping parallel channel, bull flag channel. The flagpole measured here and extended over here gives us a rough estimate of about 45.3. Yeah, the target is about 45.3. The top of this yellow and orange dashed channel is around 45.6. So somewhere in that area, and might I point out, the green circle that you see here hit that target exactly for Bitcoin, and we called that sometime way back here somewhere. Now, what you also notice here while I'm zoomed out is this green parallel channel that we had been traveling. We didn't even travel in it here. Traveled right on top of it here and then fell through it. Swooped along. Let me get my thought. Swooped along the outside here and then back up into it here. Could have sworn we traveled in it sometime in the past. Did we travel in it some? Nah, we could not have traveled in it way back there. Huh, interesting. What was our interaction with it here? Well, here we came right down to the center line. But we did interact with it as far as a support. You know what? You can also clone it and put another one on top of it and see the price action. Why don't we just do that for now? Because it should. Why isn't it allowing me to do this? I think because, oh well. Okay, there we go. Our chart just can't be busy enough, can it? We need to add more lines to it. There we go. Now you can see the price action right there in that channel as we traded right along the center line. Pretty much, pretty closely there. So here we are back traveling outside it here, and then boom, exploded right back up into it here. And then consolidated in this ascending triangle pattern, which we fell out of and formed the bull flag here. Now, this will take us back up into that channel. And I think we'll do that today. Should do that today, maybe this weekend. But what we've done here, just in the past few hours, is we've broken out of our parallel channel. Excuse me. You can see here that we've broken out of the parallel channel, come back down and tested the top of it and bounced. And any minute now, should be exploding upwards here, making a dash back up into the green channel, and yeah, probably right around here. So let's make a little circle right there. Let's make a little circle. Where are our little circles? Right there they are. And so I think we'll be right around there. And actually, I have to. I don't know how to stop making circles. I think I might still make. Yep, I'm still drawing. I don't know how to get off of that here in this view, except for maybe maybe I'll just see, I don't know how to do that. Sorry, excuse me 1 second. Let's just draw a trend line right here and there and erase that. And now I should be back without, okay. We're back. Actually, I want to just move this over a tad bit. Yeah, that looks good right there, maybe. So I believe that's where we're headed now. What happens after that? More than likely, since we're back in this green channel, I do believe that we will continue on upwards this way to the 48,000. Oh, one thing I did wanted to point out here, and the reason why I think we will continue, so we're getting hung up on this center line right here. Having a little trouble with that center line. Did come back down here, bounced here, having a little trouble right there. And but once we break through that, then we'll move on up here and work our way back up where to the top of this parallel channel, the green parallel channel, which is up here. So right around next week, should be hitting 48K next week. That's where we'll be. And maybe we come up. We always tend to fall into FOMC meetings for some reason. We'll see what happens around this area. I imagine we'll be around this area. I don't know exactly what we're going to do. Depends on these CPI numbers probably and what happens in the FOMC meeting. A little choppiness here. And then, but should be around 48. And possibly even a little higher next week. All right, like, subscribe. See you next time.